In this video, we're going to answer the question, how to export data from Folk CRM, and show you exactly how to get your data out of Folk CRM quickly and easily. Whether you're transitioning your information to another platform or simply need to back it up, this video will guide you through the process in no time. Before we dive in, if you're new to Folk CRM, you're in the right place. This CRM system is all about simplicity and versatility, helping you keep your contacts, projects, and notes organized in one place. And the best part? You can get started with it for free using our exclusive link in the description below, along with some awesome bonuses. Now, let's get into it. To export your data from Folk CRM, the first thing you want to do is log into your account. Once you're in, go to the dashboard where you manage your contacts. On the left-hand side, you'll see a series of options, but what you're looking for is the Settings menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will bring up a list of options related to your account settings. From here, look for the Export tab. Once you click on this, you'll be given several options for what data you want to export. You can choose to export all of your contacts or narrow it down to specific tags, lists, or filters that you've set up. This flexibility is one of the reasons Folk CRM is so popular. Everything is customizable to fit your needs. Once you've selected the data you want to export, you'll be asked to choose the format. The most common format is CSV, comma-separated values, which is compatible with most spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll also have the option to export your data with or without certain fields, so you can get exactly what you need. After selecting your preferences, you'll click the Export button. Folk CRM will then prepare the file for download, and depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments. Once it's ready, the file will automatically download to your computer, and you'll have all your data in a neatly organized format. Now, if you're new to Folk CRM and you want to maximize your experience, remember you can access this software for free by clicking the first link in the description. That free access comes with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started even faster. As we wrap up, let me remind you that you can use this software at no cost, and in this video, we've gone over how to export your data from Folk CRM, making sure you can easily take your information wherever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our extended free trial linked below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick Folk CRM explanation valuable.